I'm going to show you the hand motions for or base words today. And first I will show you the way based on the order of the phonics board that we use. And then afterwards I will show you the way if you would like to teach them by organized content. Okay, so first let's start here. Sept means to take. So we're going to capture, take or capture, or seize. Spect, to see. Scribe and script mean to write. Struct is to build. Flect is to bend. Tract is to pull. Duct is to lead. Lead. Pose is to put. Use is to lead. Lead. Fur means to carry, or bring forth, or yield. So you can either carry like a boat, or you can bring forth like the fertility in the soil, and then you're bringing it forth and yielding a fertile crop. Port means to carry, so it's like a backpack, carry. Vert means to change or turn, so you can change your hands like this, or you can turn your head. Form means to shape, so it's like you're shaping a sculpture. Mitts and mit are to send, so we're going to write the letter and then send it. Fact and fact and fact. Fact and let's see, fact and fact. Those two go together and they mean to make. So in American Sign Language, this is make, like you're making coffee. Dict means to say or tell. Tend is to hold. So we're going to be like holding the baby or holding like a bird in your hand. Hold. And ject is to throw, like you're throwing a frisbee. Fact is to make, like coffee, right? And rupt is to break. So I've got my hands here and they're ready to break something. And sist is to stand. So these are the two legs, and that means to stand. Okay, now I'm going to show you the organized way. I have organized these by meaning, and I will show you. And so remember, in one professional development, we learned that the more you can group things by category, it makes it easier for executive functioning, and it makes it easier to remember the content. So that's why I have done this. So these are the writers. So spect is to watch or observe. Scribe and script are to write. And dict is to tell. So storytellers, they watch. Spect, they write. Script and scribe, and then they tell people. Okay, let's move on. The builders and breakers. These are mostly all builders, but then this one is a breaker. So struct is to build. Pose is to put. Fact and fect are to make or do, like you're making coffee. Form is to shape, so like you're shaping a sculpture. And rupt is to break. Let's go in the middle. Transfer. These ones are like post workers and sports players. So miss and mit are send. So you're going to write and then send it. And Port is to carry. So like portable, remember the backpack. Fur means to carry or bring or yield. So we either have the ship, like a boat, or we have the fertility of the soil, fertile soil, and then you bring forth. Ject, these are the sports players. Ject, you throw it. Sept, you catch it. Then we go down here, and this, what does that say? That says tend, stretch. So tend is like you're stretching. Flect is like a bend. And cyst is like you're going to stand with your two fingers. These are the yoga ones. Over on the right bottom, these are the guiders. They guide change. Tract is to pull. Vert is to turn your head or turn or change. Turn or change, which is why I have the origami here, because that is also a method of changing something. And duct and deuce are to lead. Okay, bye.